Lesson 10th. The voice, active and passive. The form of a verb that shows whether the subject of sentence does an action or an action is performed upon it is called voice. Verbs are either active or passive in voice. Active voice. In active voice, a verb form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something or it is the doer of the action. Let's read some examples. Ritesh sings a song. Ritesh sings a song. Sakshi drew a village scene. Passive voice. A passive voice expresses an action performed upon the subject. It is used when the action is the focus. Subject is not important. Let's read some examples. The mirror is cracked. A bird was drawn by Naina. Changing the voice from active to passive. There are many changes involved in the transformation from active voice to passive voice. Change in object and subject. When an active sentence is changed to a passive sentence, the object in the active sentence becomes a subject in the passive sentence. Let's read some examples. A peon brought a circular, active voice. A circular was brought by the peon, passive voice. In the first sentence, active voice, circular is the object, which becomes the subject in the second sentence, passive voice. Second, change in verb. The verb is changed to a be verb plus past participle. Let's read some examples. What will I do today? Active voice. What will be done by me today? Passive voice. Only transitive verbs can be used in the passive voice because an intransitive verb has no object. Third, use of by. The subject of the active sentence follows by. Let's read some examples. The child broke the vase. The vase was broken by a child. Change in pronouns. Pronouns are changed as under I, me, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, you. Change in the tenses. The passive voice is a voice which is formed with the suitable tense of the verb to be followed by the past participle. Tense or modal plus base. Active voice, passive voice, formation. Simple present. Take, takes. Take, am taken, is, am, are plus third form of verb. Takes, is taken, are taken. Present continuous. Am talking, am being taken, is, am, are plus being plus third form of verb. Tense, active voice, passive voice, formation. Is taking, is being taken. Are taking, are being taken. Simple past. Took, was taken, was, were plus third form of verb. Were taken. Past continuous. Was taking, was being taken, was, were plus being plus third form of verb. Were taking, were being taken. Past perfect. Had taken, had been taken, had plus been plus third form of verb. Simple future. Will taken, will be taken, will be, shall be plus third form of verb. Shall take, will be taken. Can, may, must, etc. plus base. Can, may, must, etc. plus base. Can take, can be taken, can be, must be plus third form of verb. Must take, must be taken. Future perfect. Shall have taken, shall have been taken. Shall have been plus third form of verb. Will have taken, will have been taken, will have been plus third form of verb. Changing imperative sentence into passive voice. Sentences which express order, advice, suggestion, request, prohibition are called imperative sentences. The imperative sentence in the passive voice has the following structure: let plus object plus be plus past participle. Let's read some examples. Bring it home, active voice. Let it be brought home, passive voice. When the active voice begins with do not, the passive voice has the following structure: let not plus object plus be plus past participle. Let's read some examples. Do not beat the dog, active voice. Let the dog not be beaten, passive voice. The passive form has to begin with you when the object of the verb in the active voice is not given. Let's read some examples. Kindly do this work, active voice. You are requested to do this work, passive voice. Modal tense. While changing modal tenses, that is can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, has to, have to, and had to, the verb is changed to the third form and be is added before verb. Let's read some examples. You ought to respect your motherland, active voice. Your motherland ought to be respected by you, passive voice. You should learn your lessons, active voice. Your lessons should be learned by you, passive voice.